I mean, guys, because there's really no better way to make money with 100% free traffic.
Hey there, you tryna stand up on your own 2 feet.
What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to promote and make money with Clickbank. And the best part about this method I'm going to show you guys today is it's 100% free and you don't have to pay to make money doing this. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing an insane amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. So yeah, guys, let's get right into it. So as you guys can see, we're on the Clickbank marketplace today, and obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the affiliate marketplace. And so obviously you want to promote a product that is known to actually sell, right? So you have a lot of these, all these other categories like games, fiction, green products, but you want to go, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing, you want to go where most of the money's being made. So, especially during like a certain season, a lot of people are more likely to go to that niche. So, for example, for summer, a lot of people are going to be wanting to buy from the health and fitness niche, and that's where you guys can capitalize on this season. And so we're going to sort this by gravity. And you're going to see a bunch of different affiliate offers that they have here. And the reason why we did gravity is because these are all the best selling products on Clickbank. And so we're going to scroll down. And I tend to go to the products that have upsells and recurring commissions because this is where you're going to make the most amount of money when you're selling affiliate products. So and how you know this is if it has these symbols right here. So this orange one is for the upsells and this blue one is for recurring commissions. So this is a Big Diabetes Live. And so, for example, we'll promote this offer. And I've already promoted this offer already. So let's create that. And this will be your affiliate link right here. So we'll just copy that right there. And then, so the method I'm going to show you guys to promote affiliate products is using Pinterest. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with Pinterest, this is one of the biggest websites where a lot of people share boards with each other. They share a bunch of different information and pictures. And this is the perfect place where you can actually make money from. So this is one of my accounts right here in the fitness industry. And as you can see, I have a pretty good following here. And you're going to see I have a couple different boards for a specific summer niche. And so what you're going to want to do before trying to sell people stuff, you want to build your following, and the trick to doing that is you'll want to go to the big pages that are already well established and have a high following. So what you can do is go to Google really quick, and all you have to do is type in, biggest Pinterest fitness forums. Okay, and you're going to see here you can use this first website as your example, and then here's one account right here. So it's called Spark People. And so we can just click this link right here. And you're going to see this account has over 386,000 followers. And so what you'll want to do is go to their followers. And you're going to see all the people that keep up with this page. And on your end, all you're going to want to do is just follow every single one of these people, okay? So follow that person, and just keep following all these people until you have a well-established following. I tend to, follow all the people that look like they're actually real people instead of like, business pages. So, these people are just like people that keep up with this page. So, yeah, so once you get that following going, you'll want to go back to your account. And with Pinterest, guys, they only let you allow one link for your, to advertise, but they don't let you use like affiliate links. They won't let you promote your Clickbank affiliate link straight up. So what you'll have to do is actually either use a website or blog to promote your affiliate offer on. Now that'll take a little more time to make, and it's a lot more harder for the customer to actually go straight to the affiliate offer and buy it. So the thing I use that is very affiliate marketing friendly is ClickFunnels. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with ClickFunnels, this is a software that helps you create a bunch of different landing pages, and they have a wide variety of different offers that they sell, but landing pages is primarily what they're used for. And this is great to actually get data on your audience by, getting their emails, retargeting them on Facebook, if we were to use Facebook ads. But what you can do is actually use a landing page, and I'm going to show you guys an example of a landing page that I did for the Big Diabetes right here. And as you can see, this is a very clean looking landing page for the affiliate offer. And you can see, as seen on, I made this landing page in another one of my videos, but you can see, it looks very legitimate. And so, you could change up the text around here. Like you can put in, you can give them something free of value, right? And that'll actually, incentivize them to actually put in their email, and that's where you can build your email list up. But right here, I made it pretty simple where you can actually just straight up order the product like in one step. So you can see here, when you click it right here, you go straight to the affiliate offer. And so that's what I recommend if you're trying to, gain those affiliate sales for your Pinterest page. And that's how you're going to be able to actually, get more sales, actually make more money with affiliate marketing using totally free traffic without paying for any ads or having to pay for traffic. So definitely recommend ClickFunnels for Pinterest if you're looking to gain those affiliate sales. And that's what I recommend with Pinterest. All you're going to want to do is, keep building your following up. Like you can go to different big fitness Pinterest accounts and just keep rinse and repeating the process where you follow all these people. And once you build a massive following for your business, right, your Pinterest account, then you can just unfollow all those people, and you're going to look more like a legitimate Pinterest, and that'll make more people want to buy from you. So Pinterest is definitely the best way to go that I recommend for free traffic, because it's already highly targeted people that are interested in a certain niche, right? Which is what we have, is fitness. And this is a great opportunity to actually make a lot of money, because during the summertime, that's when most people are trying to lose weight and buy products that'll help them resolve their issues. So this was just a quick step-by-step video I wanted to show you guys on how you guys can actually make money for free promoting Clickbank products without having to pay for ads. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like videos. And yeah, guys, take care.
Stumbling through the sky.